The Apple Watch Ultra 2 represents Apple's top-tier offering in their smartwatch lineup, designed specifically for adventurers, athletes, and anyone who needs a robust and feature-rich device. Here's a rundown based on the information available up to October 8, 2024. Design and materials. The Ultra 2 comes with a new black titanium case option, alongside the natural titanium color, enhancing its appeal for those who prefer a darker aesthetic. The use of 95% recycled titanium in its construction highlights Apple's push towards environmental sustainability. Display. It features a significantly brighter display, reaching up to 3000 nits, making it easier to use in direct sunlight or harsh outdoor conditions compared to its predecessors. Performance. The Ultra 2 includes a faster processor, ensuring smoother operation and better performance in apps, which might be particularly noticeable in fitness tracking and navigation features. Battery life. While there's mention of not significantly improving battery life, it still offers around 55 hours of usage on a single charge, which is quite impressive for a smartwatch, especially in its power-saving modes, which could be essential for long expeditions or events. Water resistance and diving. It maintains its predecessor's water resistance and diving capabilities, certified for recreational scuba diving down to 40 meters, making it a favorite among diving enthusiasts. GPS and navigation. The Ultra 2 boasts the most accurate GPS in a sports watch, thanks to precision dual-frequency GPS, which is crucial for adventurers or athletes who need precise location tracking. Health and safety features. Beyond fitness tracking, it includes advanced health features like ECG and potential sleep apnea detection, enhancing its utility for health monitoring. The action button, which can trigger various functions quickly, including emergency SOS, adds to its safety features. Environmental considerations. Apple has made efforts to reduce the environmental impact of the Ultra 2, not just in material use but also in packaging and energy sourcing for manufacturing. The Apple Watch Ultra 2, therefore, continues to carve out a niche for itself as not just a smartwatch but as a sophisticated tool for those whose lifestyle or work demands the best in wearable technology for outdoor and extreme conditions.